This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Can someone share me your screen? Okay. Yes, I'll give you another one. Can someone type me in the chat window? Can someone type in the chat window, please? Or do one thing.
Yeah.
Write down developer.salesforce.com.
Okay.
salesforcedeveloper.com.
Developer.salesforce.com.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You got, what did you got? You got get your very own developer edition. Full featured
Yes.
copy of
It's
Lightning platform for free.
yeah, it's showing. Yeah, it's showing login
Write
and
down
sign
the first name, last name, email address.
up. Okay, log. Okay.
Okay, your job role. Job role, you can just give some developer. Company, just say give ABC. Okay, select your country. Postal code and your username. Nothing but your email ID. And when you are creating the password,
Yeah.
don't give a i5 password. Give normal, like normal, which is able to recognize. Don't give your original passwords.
Okay. Job role.
Select developer.
Okay. And company.
Company gives some ABC, or give any company name.
Okay.
Please share your screen. Can someone share your screen? Kavya, can you give the control to Monica or Pavani?
Monica, share your screen.
Please check your email to confirm your account. to your email and there will be a verification email. Click on that
Yeah,
verify.
I'm doing it.
Yeah, you will get one. You need to enter some password. Give some password. uh, Normal password. Okay, don't go high-fi. Give the username and password.
Yeah, I've done. I have created an account, so I have come to the new page, home page. Hello.
Yeah. I'm seeing it. I'm seeing your screen. One second. No, that is not your username. You will have a username in the email box. No, go to your mail. That will be your username. Go to your email. There is a mail, right? Verify mail. What mail ID you have given?
Whom you are asking?
Email ID is email ID. Can you go to your? Can you show the mail? What you said?
Yeah.
Click on that.
It's me.
Click on that. Yeah, come down. No. Just go show your email. Come down. Come down. Yeah. So Mauni at abc.com at the rate abc.com. That is your username. Copy that. What is the password that you have given? No, you did something wrong.
I have
Click-
I have shared
Sure.
my screen.
Ah, just did you verify the link?
Yeah, I did.
Because you need to give the password. Okay, return to login page. And then go back to your email. Refresh. Okay, go to your email once. Click on that support at salesforce.com. There is an issue with your Salesforce developer edition account. But just click on that the other mail, sales, support at salesforce.com. Because the email address you entered is already in use. To sign up with a different, see that. I think that's a problem, I think. Okay, just go back.
Just a moment, I'll check it out.
Yeah. Monica, how about you? Not Monica, sorry, Pavni. Are you able to create your org?
Yeah, I have created and I'm on the home page.
Can you share
Shall I
your
share you
screen?
my screen?
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yeah.
1 second. Yeah, can you see me or 1 second? Yeah, I'm on the home page.
Yeah, just I'll give you the control page. Navya, can you give control to Pavni? Can you share your screen, Pavni?
Yeah, only I'm sharing my screen.
Yes, very good. Maximize your window. Very good. On the developer edition. Very good. Okay. Okay. Can you do one thing? Can you ping your ID and password to me?
Hmm?
There should be a chat window in your this one. Ping me your ID and password.
Chat window.
Navya, can you just check? We are not able to see the chat window here.
Oh, 1 second, 1 second.
Ah, correct. There. You got the window?
Yeah, I got it now.
Ah, yes, very
Hello?
good. Monica, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, I need what I need is
Hmm.
any one of your org, I mean the username and the password, so
Hmm.
that I will create the org, all the topics that I will teach in that particular org. You guys can do it again. Okay. Because there are
Any?
already two to three orgs which are already created on my name. Okay. So
Okay,
it's
okay. Hmm.
tracking these things. Okay. You cannot create the orgs irrelevantly, whatever you want. I mean, how many you want to create. Okay. So they'll track it.
Okay.
But నాకు
Huh?
అదే నాకు చాట్ విండో ఓపెన్ అవ్వట్లేదు టు
లేదు
సెండ్
నవ్య
చేద్దామంటే.
and Navya, you have to give access to chat window. Even I don't have chat window access. Sometimes this will come, sometimes will not come. Okay. What is the username? Can you tell me?
Yeah, I can tell you. It's my email ID, Pavni
One
Reddy,
second. Wait, wait.
PAV. No problem.
Let me log into your this one. చెప్పండి. PAVNIREU.
NIDDY
Ah,
689 689 at gmail.com.
gmail.com. What is the password?
పాస్వర్డ్ వచ్చేసి బొర్రా, B for butter, O,
Okay. Ah,
R for rabbit, A
ah,
for America,
okay.
BORRA, at 1234.
Okay, bas simple passwords ఇవ్వాలి. Okay. Acha, there might be there is a verification email ID will get you a verification code. Just check your
Yeah.
email. Okay, tell me that code.
Okay, 1 second.
Is mine fine?
Verification code వచ్చేసి 71757.
71757. Very good.
Mine is fine, right?
I want Pavani's one.
Okay.
I'll use any one of your app. Okay, no worries.
No. What I'm asking, my app is okay, right? Now it got logged in.
I have not seen it. 1 second. Can you show your
Okay.
screen? Can you show your screen?
Yeah, I'm showing it.